Hey there, sunshine, here in my hands I have the absolute best subscription box in the entire world. I have my August Quirky Crate here, finally has arrived to my doorstep. So I'm sorry it's going up a little bit late, but I'm so excited to open this box. And if you have never heard of Quirky Crate, welcome to your new favorite subscription box. Basically, Quirky Crate is a monthly subscription box. In each box you get a purse, and sometimes you get stationery. I've gotten really cool sunglasses. You get a pair of socks in every month's box, you get a purse in every month's box, and you get an enamel pin slash, sometimes you'll get an enamel pin and a patch, some sort of flare in every month's box. I have an entire jacket dedicated to my Quirky Crate box. Like literally, I can't wait for my year anniversary to come up, which is coming up in October. I'll have been part of Quirky Crate for a whole year. It's actually missing some patches because I haven't updated. Like I have a box full of patches and pins that I need to add to this jacket, but like this is like all of the like enamel pins and the patches that I've gotten in previous Quirky Crate boxes. Like seriously, it's so amazing. And I love the purses that I get in my Quirky Crate box because they remind me so much of Betsy Johnson, and Betsy Johnson is my favorite designer like ever. So the purses that I get in my Quirky Crate box remind me so much of Betsy Johnson. With that said, if you've never checked out or heard of Quirky Crate, go check out my other videos. I have a bunch of them. It's seriously so worth the money. It's like $45 a month, I think. Honestly, I can't remember. I'm not really good with math, but I'm so excited. Okay, so it says, yeah, hey girl, yes, treat your quirky self. Boom, let's rip open the tissue paper. I'm so excited. Oh, and one thing I always forget to mention is each month they highlight an artist, that like an underground artist, and so they offer like a little bio about the artist, and they offer a piece of art that the artist creates in each box. So I think it's really cool to like highlight small businesses. Like that is something I'm so passionate about. So this box is mixed with positivity, super cool stuff, and artists and small business. Okay, so this month's theme is welcome to the 1980s. Okay. Okay, I see a hat. I'm so excited. Okay. This was the only sneak peek that I knew was going to be in the bag box because I'm friends with the owner on Facebook. Her name is Michelle, and I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, so what is this? Pipstick Manifesto. We, the Pipstick Sticker Club, believe that stickers are fun. Oh my god, they are so soft. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up and just stare at it and while I read. Believe that stickers are fun. Stickers are magical. Stickers can change the world. We obsessively anticipate the coming of new stickers and get butterflies in our stomachs when they arrive. Okay, this is literally like a piece of bread. Like, you know how like sometimes when bread is baked, right, you want to like sleep on it, it's like soft. These feel like bread. These feel like really nice bread. Okay. So, oh, it's a sticker subscription box. That is so fun. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, I'm totally down. Honestly, I might sign up. I'm like, I didn't know about this. Yes. Okay, get awesome stickers every month. Use the code QUIRKY for 25% off. Oh, and if you want to sign up for a Quirky Crate and you want to get a discount, what is English? I don't know. If you want to get a discount off of your first month's box, I have a coupon code for you to use. Yes. Okay. So the next thing, oh, there's like a lot of fun colors in this. Okay, what is this? This is so fun. What is it? Oh my gosh, are these, what are they called? Like warmers? I think they're called from like the 1980s. You like put these on over your socks and like pump it up. And you like get your boom box and carry it around. I'm a 90s baby. And I can't even really say that because I was born in 1998. So it's not like I can remember anything. So yes, okay. I love the color. This is so fun. Yes, okay. The next thing pulling out, ooh, I can't remember the name of anything. I'm like, are these Rolex cubes? That's not what they're called. These fun cube thingamajigs. Socks. Oh my god, look at the purse. Are you serious right now? This is a phone. This is so freaking cute. Okay, let's go through this step by step, and we can break through the whole thing so we can like appreciate the art. Okay, so this part right here, like that where you hear the sound, this is raised and like it has like little dots. It's textured. Okay, all of this is holographic, and then we have some hearts, and then we have like the little boop, 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 boop. Okay, and then we have like where you can talk into, and not to freaking mention, there's like this little metal antenna. Holy cow. Okay, to me this is more of like a wristlet. Okay, is there a chain in here? No. No chain. This is a wristlet. my new wallet. Can you imagine just like seeing me on the street walking down, somebody tries to rob me, bah, 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 and then I'd be like, 911, I have an emergency. Just like that. And it's so cute. Okay, there's still more in this box. Okay, let's see. I have a hat, which I'm very excited about. Let's see. I'm gonna get foundation all over this hat when I put it on, so I'm gonna ruin it. I'm so sorry because it's beautiful. So it says, stay, oh my gosh, I'm dropping everything. It says stay rad, and this character looks so familiar, but I don't know or remember where it's from. So here's a fun game. Let me know what his name is in the comment section. Oh, I got pins in the comment section down below. Like, well, who is this guy? Oh my gosh, I could put more pins on this. That'd be really cute, like a cute idea. And then, yeah, like we could totally do. Okay, I'm gonna walk around with this Stay Rad hat with a bunch of enamel pins in it. And then we have like 2 things right here. So we have 2 more things. I wish Quirky Crate offered like a bi-weekly subscription, because this box brings me so much joy every time it comes to my doorstep. And I like go through it so quickly because I'm a child. I turn into a child when this box arrives at my doorstep. I cannot control myself. And so I just go through it so fast, and I'm like, oh no, now I have to wait another month for it to come. Like, okay, so the enamel pin we have for this month is big hair, don't care, in a little hairspray bottle. That is super cute, love it. Can't wait to put that on the jacket. And then there's this little bag of, I see a Care Bear. Ooh, paper clips. I remember these. Oh my gosh, we have Care Bears. We have Care Bears. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, yes, we have Care Bears. Oh my gosh, okay. So let's talk about the value of everything that we received in this month's Quirky Crate. Okay, I dropped my card. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? So, welcome to the 1980s. So the value of this box is a total of $93.95. And remember how I was talking about the artist they feature every month? The artist they feature this month, her name is Maureen Vasquez, and the stickers, that is her little creation. So the Pip Sticks Puffy sticker has a retail value of $9.95. The Big Hair Enamel Pin has a retail value of $10. The Call Me Wristlet on the phone has a retail value of $28. The Leg Warmers has a retail value of $15. The Care Bear Magnet Clips has a retail value of $7. The Stay Rad Trucker Hat has a retail value of $20. And the Rubik's Cube, I said Rolex and it's a Rubik's Cube. Socks has a retail value of $8 for a total value of $93.95. So, okay, the purse completely won me over. I am so freaking happy with that. I love the enamel pin. The socks are so cute. I'm gonna give them to my boyfriend because I'm sure that he will love these. And I really, really love the puffed up sticker. I think that is so incredibly cute. But Quirky Crate, you killed it again this month. I cannot wait for Halloween to come around. Halloween was the first box that I got from Quirky Crate, and I literally fell in love with this box. I'm so freaking excited to see what the October 2019 Quirky Crate box is. Like, I cannot wait. But what did you guys think of my August Quirky Crate box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.